everyone, I'm going to be using this bag to attach the floral accessory. To start with, I would clean the leaves and wire and tape them. To wire and tape them, I would put the wire about here, pierce it through, fold it down, and then wrap the wire around the stem and then tape it. Okay, once I have wired and taped the stems, I would then put them together. So starting with the greenery at the top, then the main flower, and then I would add some statice here, then place some gypsophila there, surrounding the main flower. Then I would tape all these stems together. And twist it back up again. And once I have done that, I would then cover the stems with string. Once this has all been taped and then I've got the string around, I would just tie the string here. And then to attach it to the bag, I would use glue. And there you go, a beautiful little arrangement for your bag. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.